Melissa and I'm Colorantic's English representative. Today I just want to take a quick moment to show you really everything that we carry at Colorantic. So not only do we carry paint, but we also have paintbrushes, furniture wax, you have your cleaner and soap. We also carry glitter, some metallics. Our paint is also available in the gallon and by the quart. And then some finishing touch items like knobs and handles. So I'm just going to take a quick moment and really show you guys everything that we carry.
Hello, my name is Marian. I'm the owner and founder of Colorantic, a Canadian manufacturer located in Quebec, Canada. Today I want to thank all the Canadians to keep buying local products. This greatly helps our entrepreneurs, local workers, and keep all the economy in Canada.